A plant-based diet is a diet which excludes meat, dairy products, and other animal products. It is important to note that not all vegetarians eat plant-based diets. Many people choose to eat a vegetarian diet because of their ethical views or to improve their health. However, if you are looking for a vegan diet, you will need to avoid all animal products. This video will explain what being plant-based really means. In order to understand what a plant-based diet is, you first need to know the difference between a plant-based and a vegan diet. The term plant-based simply refers to food that comes from plants or plant-based products such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, grains, and beans. A vegan diet does not contain any animal-based food. When you think about what plant-based foods are, you can see that this affects our health and body composition. A plant-based diet has many benefits. For starters, it is high in fiber. This helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps us with our cardiovascular health because it lowers bad cholesterol. Plant-based foods such as vegetables and fruits are full of nutrients that help fight cancer and other diseases. A plant-based diet is great for your heart, especially if you are at high risk for heart disease. This is because it has fewer saturated fat than an animal-based diet. Finally, a plant-based diet is low in sugar, so it helps control blood sugar levels. Now that we know what a plant-based diet is, we can look at how it can help our health and body composition. A plant-based diet is a healthy diet. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, protein, and other vital nutrients. Fiber is important because it gives you a feeling of satiety and prevents you from overeating. In summary, a plant-based diet is ideal if you want to lose weight and build muscle.